Good evening, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So we're checking into resort number 3. We left Hilo, came over back to Kona just for one night because tomorrow we're gonna be flying to Oahu, which is another Hawaiian island. But this time we came to a different hotel. We're at the Waikoloa Marriot Beach and Resort, and we made it just in time for the sunset. Like, we literally ran here. We threw our stuff down in the room. We didn't have time to do anything, and because we didn't want to miss it. Because we were debating between seeing the sunset on the mountain or seeing the sunset on the beach. And I'm like, I prefer the beach. We hardly spent time on the beach, except when we went to Black Sand earlier. But we made it, guys. And look at this.
Yeah, look at me.
Look at that sunset. It is gorgeous. A lot of people have the same idea. That's why everyone's all here at the same time. But yeah, it is beautiful. Look at this. Wow.
Sand feels good too. Wow.
And just like that, you guys, the sun is setting past the ocean. I'm just glad we was able to make it just in time with only a few minutes to spare. There it goes. Wow. Okay guys, now time for a room tour. We're staying at 3276. First, when you come in, you're gonna be seeing the bathroom. And this is the sink. They have towels on the bottom, hair dryer, soap. You got body lotion, a big giant mirror. I really like the shower, it's nice. They got their shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I like this shower. I know I said it like 2 times, but I like a nice bathroom. And then you come in and you're greeted with this bed. And to the left is the charger outlets. They have USB, phone, pen. What is this? I don't know. Some pillow spray, okay. And then over here is a desk, more USBs here. And then they have the TV. And you can stream like Netflix, YouTube, whatever from the TV. It's a smart TV. And then here is like their room service menu. And then over here is an alarm clock with USBs. Basically, it's at the same hotel they have. And then a little chair, table, lamp. And then over here is going to be the balcony. It's going to be very noisy because they have their luau going on. But yeah, this is the balcony from here. One more thing I forgot to show. They got a little mini fridge and a safe and a coffee maker and a closet iron. Yep, iron board. So I wanted to check out the pool area first. They have cabanas that you can rent. here. And then one of the first pools that they have is this infinity pool, which is so cool. And then they have a jacuzzi right there. And then I'm going to show you one of the other pools that they have, which comes with a slide. Unfortunately, I won't be able to enjoy it because I'm already leaving. I'm only here for like half a day, so, well, half a night I should say, because I arrived really late last night. But they do have a slide here in this pool and another spa. Then right next to it is another pool. I don't really know how many total pools that they have here, but then there's a little beach area that leads right here into the pool, and then another spa. I don't know what this button does. Oh. Alright. This view is gorgeous. Like, I'm on this little lounge area, I guess on the second floor, and back there is the beach. And then this area is the pool, and then behind me is where all the rooms are. But I like this little lounge area. It's so relaxing out here. It's outdoors, it's cool, lots of seating. They have a little coffee shop like close by the lobby, and they have all these different breakfast sandwiches here, but then you can also make coffee. But now we're gonna walk over here. I want to see what they have on this side. I think is some more rooms, but I think there is a store over here. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna walk down and see. Oh, that's just a vacation club. I don't know why I keep thinking it's a store. But then there's not much down there. It's like basically going to the guest rooms, I believe. So yeah, nothing really interesting to see on this side, because yeah, it just leads to the elevators and then right back outside. So. Okay, so this is really cool. We have this big giant map of Hawaii, and where we're at is right up there. But we are going to be heading back to the airport because we're going to be flying to another island. And then over here is the lobby area where we checked in yesterday. And there's concierge in the back, but I want to see if they have a store. Okay, they also do have a spa right over here. And then right next to the spa, they have a store. I wonder if it's open yet, or is it too early? Not sure. Oh, they do. They open 8 o'clock to 10, so let's go check it. So yeah, you can get some hats, really cool postcards, bags. Basically a little bit of everything what you would need here, like all souvenir stuff. Ukuleles. All right, guys. I know it was like a really short video, but like I said, I wasn't even here for a full day to enjoy the resort. But I was glad that last night we was able to catch the sunset, because that was really gorgeous. But basically we just hung out at the beach for a little bit and then slept, and then get up early, and then we just have to head straight to the airport, because like I said, we're leaving Kona now and we're gonna head to the other island called Oahu, which is about an hour flight. I have been there before, actually 2 times I already been there, so this will be my 3rd time going, but I'm excited because I'm going to be doing stuff that I have never done before, so stay tuned for that for another video. But yeah, I'm really excited. So hope you guys enjoyed this little short resort and room tour with us and catching the sunset. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.